the watering hole. What do we have here? Oh, abang is the sun bear there. Thank you. Sun bear. Say hi to the sun bear.
Oh, it's a bear.
Black bear.
Yeah, it's a sun bear.
Black bear. Very good.
What are you doing? Oh no, it's going to the water. Why is it not going to the ground? Why not? The water. Why they're not going to the pool? Why the bear house like so messy? And look.
Yeah. Are we going to the stream?
Huh?
Track.
No, I tell you already.
It's
You make
moderate.
decision. Don't ask for any option.
Upper stream track. Let's go. Abang, wait for me, okay?
If I drop, I would die.
Oh, you think?
If I
Thinking,
drop,
oh.
then I die.
Oh, you got option, huh? So just walk straight or walk.
I'm not gonna walk there. You can walk there.
Walk there.
I saw a footprint.
Wow, whose footprint is that?
Who's the print? Is it the black bear?
And I
Yeah, it's a sun bear.
want it.
Come on, who's? Want to follow me? Mic off.
It's very easy.
Abang, you want to wait for me or just straight je? Wait for me or not? Don't want. Okay.
Our mission is to find it.
Come on, adik. Here come.
Tengok lah adik. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go. Oh wow, there's another one. Okay, come go. Careful, baby. Can you do it? You need my help? Wow, good job. Yay! Kids enjoy this lah. Oh, you can track cross downwards. Okay, can come. Let's go. Lower stream track.
Oh, it's careful. Oh,
Slowly, slowly.
anything happen, we can.
Yeah. Careful lah. Careful lah, boys. Wait for me, ah. Yeah. Left. Left. Here. Yes. Careful lah, it's wet. Kita jatuh nanti. Adik, wait for me. Ayo, these two person. Boleh? Where are we going next? Abang, wait abang. Orang nak ambil gambar. Go. Go. Maruk lah korang dengan korang punya pakor. Wait guys.
Adik, wait, adik.
Oh, got crocodile bridge. Crocodile bridge.
Where do we go? Go and try.
Okay, here. Okay. Here, crocodile bridge. Come, this way.
Is it?
Hey, no put.
This back.
Eh? Very confusing.
Abang
lah.
ada
Come. This way. Shortcut to crocodile bridge.
Right here.
Yeah, sorry sayang. I never.
Mama, I can do that.
Okay, I know you can do. Come.
There.
Careful lah, boys. Can you hold my hand? Any parts?
Bye-bye.
Hey, don't do that. I scared. No, I look. Careful lah, don't drop inside ah. See, wet right? I tell you wet already. Hey boy, wait. Come. Sini. Tunggu. Aha, this one you wait for Ayah, okay? Boleh tak? Go. 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 Are you? There. Look upwards. Upwards. Yeah, this is the bear, is it? This is the bear one. Tapir.
Wow.
Come there, ada animal there. Can you see the animal?
Cannot.
There, sana.
Cannot.
I think we go there, the bridge. You can see better the bridge.
Oh, so big.
Yeah,
What's that?
Malayan tapir.
Who's sleeping?
Oh, it's hot.
Well, let's go. Bye, Ade.
Yeah, I think Tapir go up already tapir.
What's the utapir?
Abang, wait.
What's the utapir?
There, tapir.
Where?
There. Here, baby, come. Stand here and can see. Yeah, that one.
Is it the bear? Look like.
Yeah, it looks like a bear, but it's a Malayan tapir.
Look like a gajah.
Yeah, right.
It looks like elephant.
Looks like what? Elephant? See lah, must go more zoo outings. Don't know how to differentiate between elephant and Malayan tapir. Okay, come, go straight. Go to Crocodile Bridge.
Oh, the crocodile.
Straight. Don't need to go left, straight.
No?
Yeah, straight. The bridge. No, abang, go down. Down. Here. Yes.
Oh, but I want to go to the rock.
In front also got rocks. Come. Left. One thing's for sure, if you want to go to the trekking, right, I don't think senior citizen is suitable for this lah, okay? But there's also elevated walkways lah for them. No worries. Oi, where are you? Adik, abang wait for Ayah. Adik. Tunggu, wait.
Firstly, what I'm doing, your
From when you see up there, it's quite small, but you see down there, it's quite big.
Sila!
There?
Sila!
Anyone want to throw downstairs? Crocodile lah. Tu. Ada crocodile lah guys, ada crocodile. Ada crocodile dekat bawah guys.
Wait, what? Can you get that? Yeah.
Ni kalau jatuh, innalillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun.
So big.
This one only. Oh my god. Kan, mana dia? Tu dia. So this is called the Crocodile Bridge, guys. And you know why, right? Crocodile Bridge. Okay. Crocodile's there. You see. Just zoom for you guys. Sorry, this one is zoom a bit only can there. Okay. So and my kids and wife are all gone. Don't know where they are. Whew. Don't know what they're rushing for. Like. Okay, let's go to the cavern. See you guys up there. Bye. Fully speaking, it's quite tiring actually.
It looks like
Now we are at the,
giant
we're at the cavern, guys.
mouth.
Looks like a giant tiger's mouth, according to Wiki. Yes.
We are in a giant tiger's house.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I might switch to night mode on this one, so if the quality reduces, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's go.
Can we go see that?
Yeah, masuk. Go and see. Lipas, ada lipas dalam, banyak. Ada lipas dia. Ya. Okay, come. Okay, let's shift to night mode, okay?
Show my face. We are in the dinosaur park, and the dinosaur eat the egg.
Lari again.
It's a bear. Can you spot the mouth of the cavern everywhere?
Yeah? Yeah? This one?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything in there.
Okay, switching to night mode, guys. Bye. Guys, I've entered the super night mode. Let's see whether the quality is okay. You can see it's quite dark. It's quite dark in here. Well, let's look.
Oh yeah. You can put here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like there's a nose. Yeah, looks like a nose.
There's the nose.
Huh?
Ni apa dalam macam ni?
See the white there? Ikan.
Oh.
The sacred fish.
Oh, I saw black shadow there.
It's a what? It's a fish ah?
Sacred fish from Thailand.
Oh. Where's the fish abang?
There. See the swimming thing there?
Oh. Adik, no shouting, right? Yeah, we're at the cave, guys. It's so scary. Oh, it's a fish, yeah? It's a kind of a small fish, okay? But it's only living in the caves. This is the fish that I'm talking about. Oh, there's a jellyfish. Abang, there's a jellyfish, abang. Must find the jellyfish
Where? Where's the jellyfish?
inside just now.
I don't see anything.
Ah, let's lepak here for a while because it's air conditioned. What's that? Oh, wow, what is that?
What's that? Jellyfish. Ew. Jellyfish.
Oh, it's not exactly a jellyfish. It's the mineral. This is the jellyfish that they are talking about. Okay, guys. It's the formation of the rock. Okay. It's not exactly the fish. Okay, every day we learn new knowledge. Brimstone pools. Oh yeah, probably is in front. Come. Yeah, abang, this is the pool. Abang. Abang. Are there any ghosts here?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And look. This is a rope. And look. Head of a fish.
Is that? Wow. Adik, can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Are there any ghosts here? Are you sure?
No.
Ah, finish already. Okay, changing back to the normal mode. Bye bye. The crocodiles behind the log, guys. Can you see Rifki?
What is it?
Oh, there's a bed there. Ah. It's a fruit bed. Is it a fruit bed? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Nice. Just one only lah. Yeah, I think it's
Thank you.
sorry guys, switching back to night mode. Like part 2 guys. Caven part 2. Hey, you can turn right, is it? Wait, let me. Oh no, it's the exit. No, sorry. Come.
Oh, there.
Ooh, scary! Can go in. Go lah. Come lah, just go. Oh, it's a rhesus snake. Oh, guys, we're gonna see the rhesus snake inside here. Don't know if I can see it. We'll try to see among the people. Oh, can you see the snake there? It's quite far away lah. Yeah, there's a snake there. Oh, actually there are a few snakes, right?
Hello, snake.
Snakes, what are they called? These snakes are called the Malayan cave racer, okay? Come, they only live in the caves. What's that? You want to see this one? What's that? Oh. I see. Oh, same one. Come. Same also. Okay, from there. Abang, wait for me. Apa ni? Oh. It's not bats lah. There's no bats here. They cannot anyhow put bats here. Later the bat poop at you how? Okay, can you explain to everybody what's this? What is? What are those?
Cave balls.
What do they do?
I don't found. Oh no, there.
Ah, this one.
Yeah, there.
Okay, what else can we find? What else? What else can we find here? What else can we find here? Okay guys, tengah jalan-jalan kita lepak kat sini guys.
What happened?
When there's earthquake, then the formation of the cave change.
Itu like this.
Yeah. Okay, time to say the cave.
Drunken. Hey, scorpion. Guys, scorpion.
Where?
Ni. See scorpion? Ni.
Oh wow, so big.
Ew.
So near also.
Okay, time to push all inside.
I have to carry Ray in fish. I think I have to carry Rifki because never listen to me.
Huh? Yeah, let's push him inside. You know scorpions are dangerous. Once they bite you, you die because there's poison inside.
Yep. I think got one. Got a few lah actually. Okay, done. The Oculus guys. That's how they are taking photo of us. Hey.
Foto dia ada macam edit foto.
Come to the end of a Rainforest Wild Asia adventure. Hope you guys love our videos and click like and subscribe if you want more of these adventures. Bye bye. Say bye bye, baby.
Bye.
Ready?
Ibu Hamid.
Bye. Hungry, right? There's a cable restaurant here. But you need to queue lah. Okay? A bit of queue only. But to be fair now it's lunchtime, so I think there will be a bit of queue. But otherwise, I think throughout the days shouldn't be any queue lah. Huh? Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. Oh, okay, wait. Gift shop for those who likes to shop. They are promoting GoPro, guys. Check it out. Oh, sorry lah, we are team DJI. Yeah. Why? No. You want to see the photos or not?
But I want to buy this snake.
You want to buy the snake?
Then I think I can have this pet called snake. Yeah. And I can wear like that.
The logic, guys. Huh? You also want to buy this? That's a squirrel. We didn't even see any squirrels. Oh my god, guys. Okay lah, actually that's the gift shop. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. Thank you.